To do this, first, click on the menu button in the top left corner. Go to Schedule. Inside Schedule, click on the arrow corresponding to Out of Office. Click on the calendar icon in the respective fields to set start and end dates. Now, set the start and end times by clicking on the clock icon. You can either set the time on an analog clock or type the time in manually by pressing the keyboard icon in the bottom left corner of the window that pops up. Now, move the slider corresponding to all groups and press the plus icon to add groups. Select the group and press Done. Add covering member by clicking on the human icon. Select the person and press Done. Repeat the same for all your groups and click on Add. Your out-of-office schedule is set. The respective covering person would receive the alerts in your place during the scheduled time interval for each group.